Just when everything seems fine, it's the little things that can leave you stranded. What's up, Ram fam? So here's a little heads up. Bruno came over here, and I noticed it on his truck too. I noticed this on mine last week when I started taking this truck apart. The upper radiator hose. We have the clutch fan delete. If you have a clutch fan delete and you got the OEM V6 fan, these ribs, they're on this, on the shroud. Look at your hose. You might have some wear and tear here. This has been rubbing for a while. We did this last year. It's about halfway through, and the last thing you need is to be stranded on the highway in the dead of heat and this thing's squirting radiator fluid all over your engine. All right, this hose is about, what, a little bigger than an 1/8 inch? So mine right now is about halfway through. It's bad. So what I'm gonna do, my cousin John Forrest, admin at TunedRAMS, was here, and he gave me a good idea. Replace the hose, and then cut a section out of the hose, and put a piece on your new hose, either zip tie it or glue it on or whatever. That way it protects your new hose, because you don't want that poking through. That's one way to get shut down on the highway or a side street, and you know, overheating, you get no fluid in the engine. You don't want to be driving this thing around with no fluid. And that thing is digging in bad. So just a heads up, guys. If somebody here has the clutch fan delete, check your upper radiator hose. I was gonna round this off too. I thought that might help with the Dremel or something. It might help, but it still needs protection, because if it's rubbing against it, it's still gonna cause that. All right, guys, just a heads up. Look it out for you guys. Check your truck. If you get the V6 fan delete and you get an OEM V6 fan, check that spot right there. The other ones seem to be fine. Nothing else is touching. Just this one spot. If you go dead center, it's like the second or third one over. Check it out and protect it. Stay tuned for more videos. The headers are going on the head soon. We're gonna install the heads very, very soon. Been really busy. I got a lot going on at the house and at work, so soon enough. This is why I wanted to do this here. I can take my time, do what I gotta do, and not be rushed. And make plenty of informative videos for you guys. Until next time, peace.